What's going on, guys? Brian IS300 back at it with another video. And in this video, it's probably more like a vlog. I'm gonna go with my fiance to the beach, but since it's a little car related as well, I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys. I'm getting my MV battles and getting new tires put on it. We already took one off right here, so this is a good candidate. It's a good candidate for a drift spare. You know, I'll just flip it and put it on this side and take it to the track. But if you see right here, that's where my screw was. I haven't patched it yet, but I know when I throw it on, I'll tell Leo, hey, can you patch that? And we should be Gucci. But for now, we're good. But we're throwing on some cheapies just because I'm just rolling around in them. Some Salem's. These tires I haven't tried yet, so I'll let you guys know how it is. But I got these courtesy of Caldito. I do still need to address why my tires are getting chunked like that. Joey was saying there's a screw around here somewhere, and that's why. So, or like a little stud sticking out. So I need to ding it in, I think, because the other side's doing the same thing. I don't know. I really don't know, but I think that's potentially dangerous. Yep, that's definitely dangerous. Hey, Leo.
What's up?
You're the sauce boss. What do you think?
What?
It keeps chunking my tire. I think Joey says there might be like a stud in the fender or some shit, because both sides are doing the same shit. So, yeah.
So it's gonna be...
I don't know. I'm gonna have to fucking jack it off, take the wheel off at home, check it out, fucking ding it out. I've never seen that. Look at that shit, bro. Sketchy.
Bad.
Look at these shit. They're 17s, not 18. Man, I just love the interior in my car. For those of you who don't know, I got Altezza seats, top secret shift knob, gnarly wheel, mobile hub, that aftermarket TPMS reader, and yeah, nothing special. This shit, Lexus IS300 just has a good interior, and I really like it. We got the battles on, finally, again. I was telling Leo they're gonna rub, and they did. Oh man, what am I gonna do with myself? Can't be dailying shit that rubs all the time anymore. But I'm gonna go ahead and drop these wheels off, and then I'm gonna go with my fiance. And yeah, we're at PetSmart and we're getting tags for my fiance's dog. This one's gonna be for Sammy. That's gonna be for Roxy.
Cool. Roxy.
And there is Sammy's.
Nice.
So we're currently in Carlsbad, coasting on the PCH, and we're just gonna coast up and then maybe even go on the beach or go get some dessert up to the fiance over here. But yeah, we're cruising. Top open. So we are currently at Up To You, and we ordered. We're waiting for this to buzz. If you guys haven't heard Up To You, look it up on Instagram or something like that. It's a dessert place and it's bomb. But as you guys seen in the montage before, we cruised through the PCH for a while. It was pretty nice. Now we're getting a little bit of dessert, and after this we're gonna go back to the coast because we want to watch the sunset. So we'll have to choose where, but she's excited.
I'm excited for my dessert.
Yeah, excited for the dessert and then the sunset. And yeah, pretty much the rest of the day, nothing crazy. I'll show you guys the sunset and we'll close it up at the coast. So we are currently chilling at a little spot in front of the beach, eating snacks, vibing. But we're currently in Oceanside, and sitting here. She's about to make a TikTok, and we're just chilling, enjoying the nice, beautiful weather because it was hot. Amen. So, yeah. I like it. The pumpkin. Alright guys, so I'm just gonna close the video out here.
We just took a picture.
So yeah, me and my fiance just gonna chill here and enjoy, soak up the beautiful air and view. There is overcast, so we can't see the sunset, but it's all good. At least we can vibe here. We got our favorite chips. We're just gonna eat some chips. And yeah. So if you guys like this video, go ahead and hit the like button. If you guys want to comment something, comment down below. If you want to buy a Broke Boys merch, IS300 is the promo code for 10% off. Link will be down in the description. If you guys didn't see my drifting video, go see the drifting video. If you haven't seen the aftermath video, go see that as well. Other than that, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video.